G'day traders, Stacy Burke from Stacy Burke Trading. Again, a mindset reset video and technical video heading into Wednesday, day 3, the midpoint range of the week. The purpose of these shorter videos is to reinforce on a daily basis to traders hunting out playbook rinse and repeat setups. Now, my objective with the playbook, each day we've been talking about the simple process about hunting out signal days and then looking for the exact same setups each week, regardless of the instrument. Markets only do 3 things. And if you understand that they're either in breakout or in consolidation, those offer us signals on instruments that we can add to our watch list. And we're looking for the exact same setups. Markets that give us a first red day or first green day signal are instruments that have broken out and reversed either in an earlier session, the train has left the station. But when we scan through our New York closed charts at the end of the day, we have signal days, typically either at the low of week or the high of week opportunities. We've gone through this in the playbook and also additional examples. This helps us align for 1 or 2 best trade candidates. As I mentioned, one instrument may offer us 1 great trade in the week and sometimes 2. But if we have a basket of instruments and we're looking for opportunities as the weekly template unfolds, these are the scalable opportunities. I want to commend traders in our community. They've been sending me playbook setups that they've been working on and refining, asking excellent questions, but also developing their expertise and the detailing in the trade breakdown to be able to capture these scalable opportunities. Now, this is where I repeat to traders, sizable trade setups. Signals and sizable trade setups that repeat on a weekly basis on any instrument. And I joke, but not joking, is show me the signal. Daily signals from the daily time frame. And why is that? I repeat this. I'll keep repeating it in every video just to reinforce to traders the power of a scalable trade setup. The ACB Masterclass, and then understanding front side, back side of the templates. Front side, back side. We could flip this around and this could be on the back side of the week, that could be the front side. And the front side of the week can be the back side. Day 1, day 2, day 3. I joke with traders all the time, but the same things just keep repeating. And what's great about this is it's irrelevant what anybody thinks, what their beliefs are, or anything else, because markets only do 3 things. Let me reinforce to traders, the trader themselves is the only variable in the market. If the trader decides to gather up a whole bunch of variables and put them into their little bag of tricks, then they've got a lot of variables. But markets only do 3 things. If you add in all kinds of variables, soups, gaps, pushes, hunts, imbalances, inversions, blocks, runs, draws, moves, pushes, all these things, they're things that markets do, but they're not actual setups that can alert us to those instruments that are going to potentially offer us an opportunity in our session, whether it's in the long direction or the short direction. The more specific, selective, and patient traders become, the better their results can be. Now, obviously, you have to develop your expertise in live time. Now, traders, as I just showed, have sent me their breakdowns, their daily breakdowns, detailing the trade entries, their risk management, and their take profit levels, the 5 P's of preparation. Proper preparation prevents poor performance. Now, today's Wednesday, day 3, the midpoint range of the week, and it's day 3 on the front side of the week. We talk about 3-day setups, page 31 in the playbook. We can have trend trades or reversal trades. Now, several traders have asked me about gold, and we're looking at the daily chart. We're in a market that just continues to strongly trend. We're at all-time highs. We've broken $4,000 today per ounce. We had an inside day, signal day, beginning of the month, 1, 2, 3, signal day, inside day for the breakout continuation in a strongly trending market. Again, signal days. Now, traders are looking for the reversal possibly, or they're looking where they can get in. And I talk about, I struggle myself with buying high. I don't like to buy high. But at the same time, we can use the metals, copper, silver, and gold, to look for signal days, markets that may offer us a trend continuation trade. Day 1, day 2, day 3, opening range, initial balance, and we have a signal day on silver. Opening range sets the new high and low at the beginning of a new week. I'll repeat the same things in every video. Day 2, by the time Monday, Tuesday have printed, we have our box. Day 1, day 2, initial balance, opening range, initial balance. That's our new high-low heading into the new week. Now, Tuesday closed in breakout. That's a signal day. Remember what I said. Markets only do 3 things, and they are either in breakout or consolidation. Now, I explained this in previous video. We'll blow this up here. Breakout, pullback. We didn't sell high. This market is sold from the inside. I repeat the phrase, train your eyes to move horizontally. The market has not sold high. Day 1 sets a new high-low. It breaks out. We had a market that broke out on Monday. It closed in breakout, it pulled back, and it closed in breakout on the downside. Any instrument can offer you the signal or the setup. Day 1, day 2, day 3. Trend trade or reversal trade setup. There are only 2 setups. Buying low or selling high. Whether it's an A top, V bottom, or dump, coil, and pump, or pump, coil, and dump. Now, I keep saying this to traders. I have cognitive dissonance. I do not see anything else. This is all I look for. I look for the signals and then whether or not instruments are set up. If you do other things, that's the trader being the variable. Now, I have traders sending me all kinds of other stuff, and I just say, show me the signal. What's the signal? It doesn't have to be my signal, but markets only do 3 things. And when you understand they only do 3 things, you understand the power of the signal because they're either in breakout or in consolidation. And that consolidation is either going to be a first red day, first green day, or an inside day, or no signal at all. It's just in a trading range. Or we have a signal, a market that closes in breakout. And that signal may not even evolve into a trade setup. But I'm hunting the signals. Markets that break out and close in breakout have the opportunity potentially to set up for a best trade candidate. Day 1, day 2, signal day. How does it set up into our Asian window? Now, I didn't have a signal day on gold, but remember what I said earlier. I don't care gold, silver, copper. Do I have a signal from my basket of metals? Is there a daily signal? We have our opening range. We have a market that's continued to trade higher on Monday. The opening range, it closed in breakout. That's a signal. When I talk to traders about training your eyes to move horizontally, I didn't get a breakout of the high of week, high of month level, but that market broke a daily low and still gave traders a pump, coil, and dump session trade opportunity in our New York window. Nothing fancy, just simple. Again, close and breakout. Pump, coil, our 10 a.m. club breaking down New York Open for the parabolic collapse. But what that did do, day 1, day 2, is build a box. Everything starts from Friday's closing price. Everything starts from Friday's closing price. Opening range establishes a new high-low heading into a week. Day 2 typically expands the range. There's our box. Do we break out of the box? Have we broken out of the box? Is that breakout going to fail? Is that breakout going to succeed? Are we in a trending market? Keep it simple. Markets only do 3 things. So trying to read a market or hunting out the same repeating setups. A triple plus, a double plus, A plus opportunity, long or short direction. Signal days. We have a market that's closed in breakout. And we have our box. Day 1, day 2, opening range, initial balance, page 26 in the playbook. Train your eyes to move horizontally at the levels into the timing window. Do we have a best trade parabolic candidate? Thesis is trend continuation. Trend continuation in a strongly trending market that continued to go higher on Monday, day 1. Higher highs. I said a moment ago there are only 2 setups. Buying low or selling high. Now, we have a market that's broken out. Is the breakout going to succeed or is the breakout going to fail? Now, one of the reasons why parabolic trade setups will explode quickly, as I repeat in every video, is because we have traders potentially trapped on the wrong side of the trade. Nail and bail on Tuesday, day 2, but some traders are holding on in hope mode. They haven't locked in profits. They haven't taken any money off the table, or they're just hoping that it continues to break down because they're calling this a first red day. Day 1, day 2, there's our box. We've pulled back inside of our breakout and we're coiling sideways. We've made higher highs. So we have a larger dump, coil, and pump setup. Dump, coil, and pump. Heading into our timing window, we can put our basic model for trade entry criteria onto this instrument. Again, this removes analysis paralysis for traders who have yet to develop that confidence or repetition. Building reps through repetition. Pin hammer, timings, levels, behavior of price. Pin hammer, entry, stop loss, and a take profit level. Now we're in a strongly trending market with the metals, specifically gold, obviously, and copper, not quite as strong as silver and gold. So the option for the trader is to either take some profits off or potentially leave a trailer in the markets. We're day 3, so we're still front side of the move, but just in our basic trade entry criteria, entry, stop loss, a break-even level, and a take profit level. Now, traders, obviously, as you develop the confidence and skill set, this is a scalable trade setup. Day 1, day 2, day 3, continuing with the trend, keeping everything simple. No rocket science, just a simple buy low setup in a strongly trending market. It gave us a signal day, day 1, day 2, breakout pullback, closing in breakout, coiling sideways for the day 3 continuation trade. And those are scalable opportunities. These aren't catching moves. I got the diddle, I got the gap, the push, the little 1 minute, breakout. I'm talking about rinse and repeat opportunities from the daily time frame. And let me close on this note. The instrument is irrelevant. All markets do the same 3 things. The only variable is the trader. Breaking things down with the setups that resonate the best with you, and then categorizing them and getting the details down of entry, scaling in if it's a sizable opportunity, managing your risk, and where you will take profits. The more specific, selective, and detailed the trader gets, the better their results will be. And then the next challenge for every single trader is to manage themselves in between, to not engage in any random, impulsive, potentially self-sabotaging, degenerative gambling type of trading or behavior. It's been an amazing week, traders. Keep it going. Congratulations to the traders who have continued to build their playbook and get more detailed, more patient, more specific, and the results are showing that. Congratulations, traders. Continue to make this your best trading week ever. Have a great day, and may the markets go with you.